Hear me I say a Facebook hero. And when you want to watch a bad video them on YouTube, subscribe to this channel. I hear that Negusimara. Hear me I say Negus Nation big up on the damn self, man. Fully X young and Facebook here represent for your body YouTube channel and the podcast. More everybody subscribe, like and watch out the video them right now too. You hear that? Fully X mad. Up. Negus, you can't have a club and just make everybody come in your club can do what they want to do. You have to run your club. And you see over my page, over Real Dawg 1, when me turn on it live, and my house that. If you say something like that, I like me block you.
Yeah.
And me control my club.
Yeah, man, real talk.
Yeah, man, you know, come in here and tell me which music for
me like the analogy there because, you see, me like, yo, alright, if you gonna troll me, brother, that no matter to me. You over here watch the video, I contribute to the comment them, you contribute to the likes, I contribute to everything. So, I just make them run rampant, you see me? But you see the club analogy there now, I know everybody in my club, brother. Some of them have to leave a bounce, where the bounce are there? Black.
Me G, what me see enough of them do, they make them fans control them.
Word.
Me wake up and me look on all my phone screen and just did it so. Just I look upon them so. And see all the name pop up and say, hey girl, go name shit. And everybody start laugh. I saw me train them.
Word.
Me talk to them or me want talk to them.
Yeah.
Them talk to me or they want talk to me. You know why? I'm a family this.
Yeah.
I'm my family. Yo, me G, me know who say X from who not say X, you know. Believe me, you know.
I only for them are just, bro, a lot of them just want to be a part of something, brother. A lot of them no mean X gang no good or nothing like that, brother.
But them a contribute to it.
Nothing. Just put up X and say, I like that. No.
Me G, me know my people them and me know who rate me. Me know who I pretend to like them rate me.
Word.
But guess what? Me find out the game. Me pretend to use them. Oh dear man. I use.
Hey, cause the last time they say, yo, I be a using a go on. So instead of just dead and say, alright, yo, fuck that, alright, cut off the link. You try to get something from that too. It only makes sense. Use for use. It only makes sense.
Me and some people apart, I will cut them off. I me and them apart and then cut me off. You want to know which one did I live better or do better?
Oh.
Look upon them and say, who did I live better and they do better? Who remain still a do their thing and who drop off? Okay, if you look upon me over here, say, you know, but just lose $1 million, half a blood clot million, you know, and bounce back, you know, quick and fast, you know.
Yeah.
Remember when me start my page 2 blood clot month ago, you know, me have 41.
Yeah.
Or less than 2 months, you know, when they say me they are last, you know, no, me they are 100, you know. By March, me they are 200.
Yeah, man.
And in a year, me they are 300. I kick up back in number 400. Because guess what? My plan say, me go and kick back Instagram in a new year with a storm kick.
Yeah. That me a talk about. I
go and roll Instagram throat in a new year and I go and quiz on the neck.
Yo.
You see all over voice over video them, but go and take back my spot with them.
Trouble.
Anything go on in Jamaica at the same time, me I do it instant again.
Trouble.
Anything, me start back. As Imara chat, back and I'm on chat. Remember if a pre-levels in the Imara.
Yeah.
And me start them thing them. Me just a pre-box on video on my phone or
yeah.
When Macadam did enter Negusimara's challenge.
Word.
You remember say me do a part when me singing over? And me do Imara video them when she just start and voice you over.
Yeah. I really talk it around, brother. Yeah, they run it hot.
Look for my platform and me use and give other people. Me I talk like artists. If you carry themselves and music. If you think you can do that, why you can't do it for yourself?
True. It's all about perspective, brother.
If somebody can come to you and say, Negus, promote the shot for me.
Yeah.
Or you can't go sell the shot for yourself and promote it for yourself.
You hear that? As simple as that sound. You hear that? if a man come to you and say, yo, Negus or Era, promote a shirt for me, what make you can't build a shirt for yourself? Because him see something in you. When you see you can push the product. So that means that you yourself can push the product. So push the product. Build something.
Build something and push your product.
So you have no product out there, or your product is just humor right now.
Negus in a new year in a Negus. I'm gonna buy about 20 shot. You see, I like now your father yard right now. You're not gonna see me like this next year, you know.
Well,
when you see me next year, I'm gonna forward us. I'm gonna have on my jeans pants and my nice looking shoes. I'm a nice looking shirt. If me ear a sponge neat, I'm a nice looking chain. A business, if I'm a car wash shirt, me in of the day there. Or me wear a shirt, me in of the day there. Or my party shirt, me in of the day there.
Yeah,
so you're going to see me next year.
Yeah.
Because then going to approach me and deal with me better. Right now, today, I tell me that I wish we could make an app where people just go up on it and book their ads.
Where
you just go up on it and book your ads. And then we just pop up on my phone and I just say, you don't even have to talk to me.
Hold on. I even think if you talk about this, brother, you need to contact some legal people and try to get that, like, copyright, bro.
Yeah, man.
LLC. Because that right there, brother, if you bust that, especially in a comedic game, bruh, it's a bumbuckler idea that's in a year. Brother, I call her next week and ask her what I do with that, brother. I swear to God.
No, that told me I say to one of my dog them.
Good. Get it done, bad, bro. Get it
See
done.
me?
Me see you. You want to talk about the business? Cause me see you. I make a couple moves in there, brother.
Yeah, man,
Me like that, you know. My father Era house and, you know, with the multiple cars that's here, the dog have a business right now. Era is stepping out into the car wash game right now. The man have him van right now. Ready? Zin? Ready. So shirt I got print up and then you do road, my G. That me I talk about. So if Era can do it, why you can't do it?
Stop just a bill me credit and just go take out all 2 car and fling it on tour. You know what I mean? By sitting here, car wash, me I sell snacks. Here, me G, every time one of my dog them see me, man say, Era, you make me rich, you know. Era, see promotion them way you give me. You make me rich, you know. So here what me say to him now. I mean make you rich. Here what me going to do. I'm going to open a warehouse January morning and you give me snacks and supply me and I sell them and just turn a name. You know, one different name. You keep a name and you supply me snacks. Can I make you rich off of your snacks?
Fact.
Why me not get a empty warehouse? You stock up here. Me sell and take my profit and
yeah. And that right there is business savvy. Me not gonna ask if you're business, but me not gonna ask you about business, but me like all the conversation transition in that naturally. Because, brother, me like that.
Because life is not about touring.
Yeah.
We not come from this, so we just do it for a better life, my father. Yes, when you really come from a ghetto, I you not really have to come from a ghetto, you know, my G. You have to really know where you come from and just know where you go.
Facts.
You understand?
Facts.
G, me see whole heap of things going since me a hero, you know.
Whole heap of life-changing events.
And enough time me ball living here water and sorry say me a hero, you know.
Word? Bitter sweet.
Me G, living here water, me cry and me looking at the camera and tell her that. Sorry say me a hero. Wish, Bill, a talk show is to supposed to can talk your mind and express how you feel. A whole heap of time me feel like just hold them and busting head.
Word.
To how they make you feel inside like you want big idiot. But you and yourself know say yo. They never realize what we have or what we really do this for. You know, say some of them do it for nothing at all.
Nothing, brother.
Me I be real with it. Some of them do it for nothing at all. Look, that's why when the game gets so hard upon them, they can't do it now. Enough of them took up a game when the game did easy. Now everybody a do it. You know see it?
Yeah, man. So them have to go work extra hard for shine to man. God, enough of them not really have it in a brother. As I say, them running when it's easy and the people them need somebody to look upon and you see me? I real talk. I see what you say, man. I real talk.
If I never corona, enough of them would hear about right now until today.
No cap. That's facts. That's facts.
I stay home make some boy and girl get recognized.
That is facts. Me the boss before corona, so. And I mean Imara talk.
No, me not talking.
But I know who he's talking. He's talking about some of you.
What pound of corona boss, you know? Stay home.
Yeah.
Homework make you know some people know. You know, you know them business some boy I last got pre-level. Pre-levels no man.
I read that, man. I read that.
Me spotting that this way before corona even make.
Damn.
Me I tell them before that.
Real talk, man.
Yo, Negus. Me boss without trying for boss.
Yeah.
Me do a video, go sleep and wake up back boss.
Wish the sauce did work for me like that, isn't it?
I mean, I have no media back on me.
Yeah.
No media.
You don't have no corporate, no money now spend behind the name for you in an article and them something there.
Me party them keep me. Anytime I make gleaner and me make it. Nobody me not pay money.
So
me not do none of that.
So look pre this now. Because I would people have pay all behind them, you know. Imara is that type of brand that where will never die because why? The streets fuck with him heavy. The streets, once the streets fuck with the corporate, you can dead out, you know. But you see if the street fuck with you, you're immortal, you know. I want to understand that. Once the streets rate you, you're immortal, your name not going nowhere. And we can see it, brother. The streets rock with Chabas. Chabas not have nowhere go or nothing to prove again, right? Mm-hmm. Imara, they are the position now where him have just as much talk as Chabas right now because as I said, Imara is a household name. That name they not got nowhere. The man just losing page right there. Another man there 100K already.
Quick and fast.
Already.
Quick and fast.
So that tell us something. And wait I tell you right there, sir, is that the dog is not to be played with. You understand what I say?
Quick and fast.
Quick and fast. I'm like, oh, you bounce back and you do your thing, brother. I'm not like, I swear to God. I love the work so you put in bad, bro. You see me? But yo, here I want to stay tuned because I have more for ask here right now. You understand what I say? Up move.
Man. Hear me I say on Facebook here. And when you want to watch a bad video them on YouTube, subscribe to this channel. I hear that Negusimara. Hear me I say Negus Nation big up on the damn self, man. Fully X on Facebook here represent for your body YouTube channel and the podcast. More everybody subscribes, like and watch out the video them right now too. You hear that? Fully X mad.
Up.